we work with ingredients from Baja that maybe are not traditional from Baja or even Mexicans, but they are in season. They are grow and harvest here, and with my personal touch. To have a dish in the restaurant, it has to need three purposes. One, Mexico. So in the techniques, in the ingredients. Second, it has to be Baja on the dish. It has to be harvest, raised here in Baja. And third, it has to be Roberto. I was working in Mexico City and Pujol. I wanted to come back to Ensenada. During my time in Pujol, all the ingredients were from Ensenada. The baby vegetables, the seafood, even the beef. And I was like, why I have to be in Mexico City if I can be in my hometown doing what I like? My influence from my family is from south of Mexico. My mom is from Oaxaca. My dad is from Mexico City. I got influence from France, from Spain, from England, from Belgium. So when I arrived to Malva to open my own restaurant, that's all my life put it on a dish.